Ways to become more influential. Are you looking for ways to be more influential at your workplace, with your friends, your family, and in your community? Do you want people to look up to you? Do you want them to notice your presence as well as your absence? In this PsychSimplify video, we're going to pass on some ideas that you can use to make you an influencer with the people that matter to you. We'll start with, be respectful. The number one tip to being more influential is to treat everyone respectfully, just like you want them to treat you. Condescending, aggressive, or dismissive tones of voice are a fast track to losing respect from others. Be respectful in your tone of voice and your gestures when dealing with people, and also be respectful of their time. Be punctual and be respectful of time commitments that others may have. Be polite and be approachable. Influential people are approachable people. A person who keeps a smile on his face is always more approachable and easier to be around. People will never willingly interact with someone who has a harsh, angry expression on their face. Keeping a smile on your face might be all they need to lift their mood. A smile is a lot like an accessory, like a tie or a necklace. It adds a great touch to your personality. Also, be polite in your interactions. Nothing builds bridges between people more than showing politeness and a genuine regard for one another. Be honest. Be genuine. Be honest whenever you respond to something or someone. Your credibility as an influential person depends entirely on your honesty. Never agree with something that doesn't sit right with you, and don't make a decision that compromises your morals and your personal values. Also remember that genuine criticism given to be helpful and without malice is far more valuable than useless flattery. If you don't like something, be clear about it. If you do like something, make sure to compliment it. Complimenting others for their good work is an excellent way to leave a good impression of yourself. Be helpful. Help everyone that deserves it, and even some who don't. Everyone respects the person that can help them, especially when you're not demanding anything in return. Being known as the person who always helps everyone can be extremely powerful in building influence. Be the go-to guy or gal, and people will start to depend on you and your advice. Stand by your word. Say what you'll do, and do what you say. Nothing builds respect and influence like being someone whose word people know they can count on without reservation. So many people overpromise and underdeliver that it's almost an expectation of behavior in society these days. Stand out from these weaker beings by only making promises you will keep. No excuses. Having influence is primarily based on your character and how credible, reliable, helpful, and honest others perceive you to be. Remember, the more positive traits you exhibit, the more influential you will become. Please hit like, subscribe, and feel free to share it with your friends. If you want to be notified of all new videos, also hit the notification button. Thank you.